Alright, breaking inputs coming in from Kerala, where assault on frontline warriors continues despite protests and government interventions. A medical officer named Sharad Chandra Bose was manhandled by CPM workers in Kuttanad, where a vaccination camp was conducted. The incident took place following a dispute over distribution of COVID vaccines. All right, for more on this, I'm joined by Vivek on the broadcast. Vivek, thank you for joining us. What more can you tell us about what really triggered this incident?
Yes, this is indeed a shocking incident that took place yesterday at the Kainagiri Vaccination Center in Alappuzha, that's in Kuttanad, to be very precise. The vaccination procedure actually began in the afternoon, and there was supposed to be around 150 vaccine that needs to be given in around 15 centers, and this is for the palliative patients, patients under the palliative care, and what happened is at one point of time, a group of people in that area, and two of them are CPM leaders. One is a local committee secretary and the panchayat president, approached the vaccination center and questioned the doctor and asked him to distribute the vaccine to a list of people whom they have actually said. But the health officials actually refuted this, and they never agreed to this. They said that these vaccines are supposed to be given to a list of people that comes under the palliative care, and this was something which led to a verbal tussle, and following which there was a protest outside the hospital, and the doctor was locked. The doctor went inside his room. After that, the local committee secretary and the CPM leader had manhandled the doctor, and also they abused him in the spot in that particular place, and following which the doctor and the health workers had to stay inside that vaccination center for till the evening, and later the police came to the spot and arrested all those people who were there. We have also the visuals which clearly explains the kind of hooliganism that took place in the vaccination center. Now, what's the bigger issue over here is not just this particular incident. If you look at the last 6 months, there has been a number of such incidents. We ourselves have reported an incident in Mavelikara where a doctor called Rahul Matthew was assaulted. He was doing his job. He was a frontline warrior. He was a doctor. He was a surgeon. He was assaulted. And following which, there has been a number of such incidents that's been reported from various parts of Kerala. The IMA, the KGMOA, has taken up this issue. This issue was even raised in the assembly. Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has assured that such incidents will not happen. Remember, there is a strict law in place. But still, these kind of incidents are happening every now and then. But now what's happening is, wherever the spot registration is happening at this point of time, there is, there is something called, an intervention by the local politicians, and especially from the local self-body, who are dictating the terms, where they are actually coming up few names, where they dictate the terms. They, demand the doctors, saying that, those people as per their list should be vaccinated and not the people. Now, what happens here is basically those people who come to the vaccination centers who are supposed to get vaccinated have to return back. Now, these kind of incidents have been reported in many parts of Kerala, which has indeed become a matter of concern, not just for the health officials, but also for the government. There has been many such incidents where, a ward which is being governed by a particular political party, be it CPM, Congress or BJP, they actually dictate the terms. They demand the doctor or the medical officer concerned in that area to give vaccination for their own party men. This is something which is quite embarrassing, especially at a time when Kerala is witnessing large number of cases. Remember, yesterday it was 17,000 plus cases that's reported in Kerala. Before, a day before that, it was 18,000 cases. And also remember, as of now, it's just 2 lakh vaccines that's left in the state, and the health minister has already said that more vaccines needs to be given by the center government. Now, at this juncture, these kind of malpractices and inappropriation that's happening on the ground is something which will be a major embarrassment for the government until and unless the government, especially the health department, take note of this and take strict action against those perpetrators. Only then that such kind of acts will not happen in the future.
All right, thank you, Vivek, for that detailed update on this incident, an attack on COVID warriors. Thank you for getting us those details.